Looking for great Kendall plus Kylie collection for this Christmas? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Retro Skinny Jean, with ultra stretch denim for a long slimming fit from the high waist to the ankle. 4-pocket, tonal top stitching, by Kendall plus Kylie. Number 2, Los Angeles / Locals Only t-shirt with graphic on sleeves. With long slim sleeves, raw edged hem, 100% cotton jersey. Another great product by Kendall plus Kylie. Number 3, the perfect mid-rise everyday jean. With ultra stretch for a perfect, comfortable fit and amazing recovery after wearing and washing. Super skinny fit from waist to ankle. Classic 5-pocket styling. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.